YouTube. Oh, yes, I have my 4618 battery. Wait, flashing. Alright, so this is my smoke alarm collection video of what alarms I got at home right now. So, yeah, here we go. My Kidde i4618A. So it's a Fire X. Okay, next up is my, oh my god, Jesus. Is my Kidde Can COB LP2. Alright, so I'm going to unplug this i4618A battery and put it in. Ooh. Oh my god. There we go. Here it is. Oh yeah, this is my Family Guard FG200. Here we go. I put tape over it because it's so loud.
Okay.
Alright.
I forgot to say subscribe to Cameron Avery.
Okay.
Don't watch it.
What?
Go watch the video.
Who cares? Alright.
After it's done freaking out.
By the way, never mind. But yeah. Alright, here is my video. Bye.